Hello, everyone. Once again, this is Dare to Speak. I just want to say real quick about what really helps for weight loss. I mentioned before about pico de gallo, which is this. And what I like about this is it's made fresh. It's made from it's made from scratch. There's no chemicals, there's no nothing like that. It's all made from scratch. They make it in the Mexican restaurants. They make it from scratch, and I wanted it very hot, and boy, it speeds up your metabolism big time. So I highly recommend it. It does help out a lot. You don't have to eat a lot of it like crazy. You could eat it in moderation, but it does have to be extremely hot. That way it'll digest your you'll increase the acid in your stomach to digest the food quicker. Just be careful. That's all. If you felt you overdid it, just drink a little bit of water. That's all. Let's see if it happens. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Questions or comments, you know what to do. And this is Dare to Speak. And to all of you, take care.